Have you ever pondered the outcomes of planking every day for just 1 minute? Today, we are going to explore the benefits and changes that can occur from this simple yet powerful exercise. Imagine the power of 60 seconds, a mere minute, not enough time to boil an egg or brew a cup of coffee. But when dedicated to planking, this minute can lead to astonishing transformations. Firstly, planking is a full-body workout. When you are in a plank position, you are not only working your abs, but also your arms, shoulders, back, glutes, and legs. By engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, planking helps to improve overall body strength and stability. Secondly, planking every day for 1 minute can help improve your posture. A strong core is essential for maintaining a good posture. Planking helps to strengthen your core muscles, which in turn helps to keep your back straight and your shoulders upright. Planking also increases your metabolism. Even a 1-minute plank can help to burn more calories than traditional abdominal exercises such as sit-ups or crunches. This means that by planking for 1 minute every day, you can help to boost your metabolism and burn more calories throughout the day, even when you are at rest. Moreover, planking can help to reduce back pain. Since planking strengthens your core without putting too much pressure on your spine, it can help to alleviate back pain and make you more resistant to potential injuries. Lastly, planking can also help to improve your mood. Exercise, including planking, releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones. So planking for 1 minute every day can help to reduce stress and anxiety and enhance your overall well-being. So what does this all mean? Well, planking every day for just 1 minute can lead to significant health benefits. It can strengthen your body, improve your posture, boost your metabolism, reduce back pain, and enhance your mood. Imagine the ripple effect of these benefits on your daily life. A stronger body can lead to improved performance in other physical activities. Better posture can boost your confidence. A faster metabolism can help with weight management. Less back pain can improve your quality of life. And a better mood can make you more positive and productive. In conclusion, the power of a single minute dedicated to planking every day can bring about transformative changes. So why not harness this power and make planking a part of your daily routine? It's just a minute, but the benefits can last a lifetime.